back to my channel. Today for you guys I have a brand new video, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this really simple but very outgoing Valentine's Day look. So with no further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I already started with my eyebrows, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with a primer, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm going to be putting it all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers. I'm then gonna go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go in with Pinky Drinkity. Doing a cut crease, so I'm gonna start off with putting it like this. And this is gonna work as my transition color. Okay guys, I am gonna start dragging it down like this. I'm gonna grab a little bit of tape and I'm gonna put it on my hand so I can take a lot of the stickiness out, and then I'm gonna align it right here so it can be easier. Okay guys, let me go ahead and do on my other eye. Okay guys, now I got both of my eyes, so let's move on. Okay guys, I'm then gonna go in with Skip, and I'm gonna grab a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna mark my crease a little bit more. Oh my god. After that, I'm gonna start blending it upward. Okay guys, now that I have my eyes like this, I'm gonna go in with Love That from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to be using an angle brush, and I'm going to be using a setting spray, and I'm going to spray my brush. So I'm going to trace it so I can cut the crease. And then with the clean brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the top. Make sure to not bring it down. Okay guys, now that it's blended, I'm going to go ahead and grab more. Going to wet my brush, and I'm going to bring it down. And it should start looking like this. Okay guys, now that I have my eyes looking like this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some concealer. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 02. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and with a pointy brush, this is literally like a precision liner brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, and I'm gonna cut the crease even more. I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer on this negative space. And with the flat eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna go back with Pinky Drinkity, and I'm gonna put it on my lid. Okay guys, because it didn't really show up, I'm gonna go ahead and add on top. I'm gonna add Sisters. Okay guys, now that we have our eyes like this, we're gonna go ahead and add Love That. And I'm gonna spray it with the setting spray, and I'm gonna drag the color. Drag the color to make it a little bit more intense. And I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. Okay guys, so this is what your eyes should be looking like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape very carefully. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera. And okay guys, I am back. I completed my face and I did my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going with my eyes. So my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use Skip, and I'm gonna be putting that on my bottom lash line. Okay guys, I'm then gonna go in and add some lashes. I do have a video on how to apply lashes, so if you guys are interested, I will link it down below so you guys can go ahead and watch it. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Okay guys, so I decided to do something kind of crazy, so I'm gonna go in with my face paint, and I'm gonna go in with the white. I'm gonna start right here. So as you guys can see, I'm just adding this little white line on top. Okay guys, so this is only if you want to be that extra. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!